Hello viewers, how are you going today? As you know, we're going to draw today a nice vegetable. Its name is water spinach and called kolmishak in Bengali. Let's draw the middle part of the vegetable. It's like a stick. The shape looks like a stick, and we can draw it like this. So all the drawing I'm doing here like a freehand drawing. Now we are going to draw a parallel line with the previous line, and it go all the way to the top, and we connect with this point. Now we are going to draw 4 leaves. So little curved line, as you see I'm drawing here like this, meets up here, and the outline of the leaves looks like this, ununiform shape. It's not that much smooth. Another leaf I'm going to draw here. Alright, let's draw a double line almost parallel to the previous one, and the surrounding part of the leaves looks like this. Stay with the drawing as we are advancing to the next part, and the another leaf is on that part on the right side. Okay, so we're going to do some details for the leaves here. Draw details like this. Usually the vegetable water spinach, these are like this kind of taller leaves. Usually this is used as a fried items or in the curry. Okay, so the initial outline is almost done. Now we're going to put the shades on its regular drawing. So after putting the shades, the drawing is going to be more visibly pleasant because we're adding up the elaboration here. Okay, as you can see. All right, we can make little elaboration for the leaves, for the segments. We can draw little shades. So the detailing is going on. The same way you can draw when you put shades on any kind of leaves. Now we are going to put the variations of green color here. For the stick, we are going to put this kind of green as you see here. So this is the dark green. One side is deeper in shade and another side is lighter in shade. All right. For the sticks of each of the leaves, let's put the dark green shades like this. The same green for each of the part segment. The surrounding border outline for each leaves, we can draw it with the dark green shades. After reporting the darker color to the surrounding surface, then we are going to put the lighter green in the middle part, which are left empty and looks like white color now. Okay, now let's put the light green color in the middle of the lips. As you know, we are putting the details of the shades and colors. The drawing is going to be look more nice, beautiful. All right, so the drawing is done. I hope you have seen the whole video. Please follow the instructions and do the practice, and you are going to do better. Wish you all the best. Please subscribe the channel if you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.